Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is tamarind wings. Really easy and really tasty. My wife's left me for the day, so the pubs are open in half hour, so can we get this done please? Thank you. And the first thing you do is put the flour in a suitably sized food bag, season well, then add the chicken pieces and shake the bag until all the chicken pieces are coated in the flour. Then when this is done, place the chicken pieces on a suitably sized oven-proof dish, and then it's off to a preheated 180°C oven for 35 to 45 minutes. Then we make the sauce. Simply put all the rest of the ingredients in a suitably sized bowl, a splash of oil, and mix into a paste. How hard can that be? Then when the chicken wings are cooked, simply remove from the oven. The next thing you do is heat some oil in a suitably sized frying pan and add in the sauce. Sorry about that, wife didn't turn the lights on. It's a bit dark, isn't it? Anyway, let's persevere. When the sauce is sizzling away nicely, add the cooked chicken wings to the pot. Then turn the chicken wings through the sauce, and there you have it, tamarind wings. Sorry partner, it's a bit dark. I'll have a word with the wife when she gets home. And if you're wondering, them words are going to be, hello darling, have a nice day. The chocolate's in the fridge. Call me a wimp if you want, but even police dogs are scared of my wife. Anyway, the pub's calling. See you on the next one. Bye for now.